Hello guys, welcome to Future Domain. In this video, I'm going to explain 15 most important advanced Google operator, and this video will also cover 5 applications of advanced Google operators. So let's check out the video. If you are in SEO or in digital marketing industry, then knowing these operators can really help you while increasing your efficiency. So first I will explain these 15 important advanced operator, and then I will explain 5 important application of knowing these operators. So let me start with this 15 first. So this is the first one. I'll use the Elon Musk as the first example. This is quote unquote sign basically. This is, for example, I'm just doing it. You can see it here. Now you must be asking, like, what is difference between searching just Elon Musk and using this operator? The difference is when you just search for the person without using any operator, there is a probability that Google can take its freedom, and there's a possibility then it may show a different result. Maybe it's possibility people like Elon Musk. When you are searching Elon Musk, people also search for Elon Musk wife, like his company and all those things. So probably there is a possibility of all those things. But when you apply this operator, Google understand that you only want information related to Elon Musk. So all these things will be here. Now this is the first operator we are checking. Second is OR operator. When you search between two things, like here I have taken a Elon and Jack. So let's check it here. Now you can see that it's between Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey is CEO of Twitter, and Elon Musk, as you all know, is CEO of Tesla, SpaceX. So when you want information between two keywords, like you are searching for two things, then you can use the OR operator. This is how you can use it. Now going to the third operator, that is the AND operator. I have taken the same example, Elon and Jack, and it is showing results based on this operator. Here you can see that it is showing result based on Jack Ma and Elon Musk. There was an interview between these two giants, and here we can find those results. So this is how you can do it. Now Fortnum operator, and it is very important operator. When you will be using operators clubbing each other, then you will be finding that this operator is very helpful, and it is in mathematical term you can just say it a minus sign. What it do, it actually exclude the term which you don't want. For example, here I have taken example Elon. I'll just edit some Elon Musk. Okay, so what I'm telling Google is I want information related to Elon Musk, but I don't want information related to SpaceX. So I want all the content without a mention of SpaceX. Let's check. The moment I apply this operator, I just added negative sign after SpaceX, you will find that all the results here are not completely, the results here are not related to SpaceX. You will find it is maybe this is related to tunnel, this is related to any other Tesla. So you will find Elon Musk news related to Tesla and other stuff, but not related to SpaceX. You can just check it. Like if I just remove this thing and I will just make a generic query, then it will be Elon Musk, all the photos you're finding here, then his Twitter handle, and you look, the SpaceX news is there, and it is actually top stories, and it is a top stories of current time. So the reason, the moment I apply that operator, the Google actually exclude that story from the search result. So it is when you want certain things, you only want certain, you don't want a so exhaustive list of where everything is there. So you don't want that at that time. Using this operator is very helpful. Now, fifth operator is define. Define is as very simple. When we want to know about something, we just want to like, what I personally do, I want to know about certain term, I don't know, I just Google it and just Google for the meaning. So in the same term, like I have taken example of entrepreneur, you just go on the Google, and here it is. So it's given the results of the name, what is the name, like what is entrepreneur means, and how you can pronounce it, and all the stuff. So this is, you must be, all must be knowing this. Now sixth is cache. Now this is something that digital marketer or any SEO person must know. Now what I will do it again, this is I done for the my site, this is future domain is my website, and I'm actually looking for the cache version of my site. Now what is this, I will try to explain you. First, read this thing. This is a Google cache of futuredomain.com. It is a snapshot of the page as it appeared on a 27th May 2020. What it means, Google showing me the result. Google showing me this site result, my website result of 27th May 2020. And it means how Google actually retrieve all the results is Google's bot come to your website through the links, and when Google's bot come to website through the links, what it do, it actually click a snapshot of that entire site of that particular time. And once a snapshot is like, when once the bot take a snapshot, it send it back to the Google database, where entire Google, like in Google the database is there, and they actually index the whole data. And they have, for example, you can say Google have a parallel internet, like all the data which, like I'm, this is my site and I'm hosting it on other hosting provider. So my hosting provider have this all data with them, but this is what I'm doing for myself. So Google actually, to rank my site or rank any other site for that matter, need a data, need a snap of the site to understand that this site is actually solving the result or queries answers. So for example, to in easiest word, Google have taken a snap of my site of 27 May to 2020. That was the last time Google bot visited my site. So why it is important? Understanding this is important because you want Google to visit frequently to your site, because then only you will blog will able to rank on the page. Otherwise, it will not. If Google not visit your site, isn't it? It simply means, in a practical word, that your site doesn't exist. It's simple as that. So this is what cache is. Now, seventh operator, file type. Why it is important? Many times you want to check whether your site. Many times we upload different things on the site. We upload PDF. We upload other files. We want to know what kind of files there exist in our site. So that's why it is important to know the different kind of this operator. Now I'm using it. For example, Alchemist book by Paulo Coelho, you must be knowing that. I'm just trying to use it. Like, I just want a search where PDF is available. So you can see it here. All the results are with this PDF sign. So you will get idea that if you click here, you will get a PDF. I'm just clicking here, and but it will not be a book for, yeah, it is not a book. It is 5 pages introduction, something like that. Because Alchemist is a very famous book, and no one will be giving you to free of cost. So you will get you are getting an idea. It is simple as that. For example, this can be done for the site also. Site, Flipkart, okay, Flipkart file type PDF, and here you will find 147 results. So it means Flipkart site has 147 PDF documents. Those now it's up to them. They must be knowing which all documents are important for them and which are not necessary for them. They should remove it from the site. So this is why you do it. Next is a site query. This is site operator when you want all the pages related to one site only. For example, my site is futurewoman.com. I want all the pages which are related to my site only. So what you'll do, you just write a site colon futurewoman.com. That's it. And you'll find the 34 results are there. So it means 34. Now, why it is important? 34 results are there. What if you know that your site have 50 pages, but Google is showing only 34 pages? It means that Google only index your 34 pages. So you must be very cautious about it. That what has happened? Where are 20 more pages? So for that you need to audit the site. You need to go inside little bit of technical, what things are not working, whether there's a problem with the console or all that stuff. You need to find out that. So it is, if you go into advanced, for example, let's say you are reading a Medium is a very good site to read different articles and all. Now you want a no, you want to read a topic, something sorry, certain topic or certain keyword. What will do, you will just cite medium.com, and then you can write any keyword which you want. So what will happen, this operation of this this advanced operator, what will it will search, it will particularly search on the site and search for the keyword. So this is how it works. Next next we will be searching, or we will be looking for is a related. It is as simple as that, as related. What I'm doing is related all on flipkart.com. So all I'm searching for the related website for the flipkart.com. Yeah, here it is. Amazon, Snapdeal, ye bhi, you must be knowing all these companies. So any like even where it is important, you want to know which, like which are the companies which are competitors of yours. Maybe you maybe not be knowing. uh, you probably, it is possible that uh, in the starting phase only you figure out who will be your competitors, but in the internet world, things can be things can go little difficult or little tricky, kind of, because the how Google see your companies is like how Google see your companies based on the parameters, based on the things you are offering and all. uh, it actually judges your company with the other companies. So always finding out related to the particular brand is always better, because you will get idea that why certain company is Google thinks certain company is competitor of yours. So that's why it's important. Now 10, this entitle, this is very important thing. Like this operator is going to be very important, and this use you are going to be used a very much time. For example, entitle, I'm using it for the pain. Let's check it out. Now first, how to read it. Entitle, it simply means in title. You are looking in title. What you're looking pain. It's as simple as that. I'm looking for the pain, you can look for anything. So what I'm doing is I want all those results where in a title pin is used. So I'm just checking for it, and here it goes. So we have got a lot of results here. First is pain, Wikipedia, of course, for the obvious reason. And then you just scroll down and you'll find that every title has a pain keyword in it. It means you will get all the results where a pain is written in the title, because this is what the instruction you have given to the Google. So this is called in title. Then this is the all in title. What is all in title means? Let's check it out. And the example is Apple iPhone. Google search for all in title. Google search for all these two topics, Apple and iPhone. Google search for these two things, and when you add all in title, two of these things will be there in the description. So this is how the second thing is work. Now in URL. In URL is very important thing, as it something related to SEO, because as you know we all look for the keyword in the URL. So how it is work, like I'm just doing it for the marketing term. Now, if you want to target the pages or blogs which are those which blogs are specifically written about the marketing, then you want to know what those blogs are. So how you will search? You just search like this in URL. I'm looking marketing in URL, and here you will find it. Just check URL. You will find a marketing here. You'll find marketing here. So it's HubSpot blog, and what is marketing? HubSpot blog. So when you search for the specific URL, then you apply this operator. And this all in URL is same when you do a more exhaustive, uh, when you took like two or three keywords. So at that time, all in URL, you want a digital and marketing, two words there in the URL. So in that way you do it. So in text, like now I'm going to explain in text. So it is same like in title or in URL. You all you are doing is just searching that particular keyword in the text. Now what I'm searching is I'm searching marketing in the text. Let's check it out. And there are a lot many results, and it is obvious because if you are searching marketing in the text, the internet will be there will be a lot of sites and pages there where marketing is written in the text. So I'm not like, you must understand that I'm not searching marketing in the title, I'm not searching marketing in the URL, I'm searching marketing in the text, and here you can find it in text. If I open this page, probably there will be marketing written of various times. So yes, the subhead, it's marketing, it's influencer marketing, so it's all marketing. And in the same way, all in text is you don't want to miss out, and you want exact things like digital marketing. You want exact digital marketing, and that's it. That's how it works. So these 15 are the importance advanced operator. Now the question is, if you if you use them independently, you it may if it you may found them all these operators are very simple to use, but the beauty is when you're able to club them all, like when it was a time to use this fourth one, I actually I used the first one. I used Elon Musk first, and then I used this fourth operator where I use this minus mark and SpaceX. So when you club different and you are able to do a permutation combination beyond like around this 15 operator, then you become a really great in doing like carrying this operations. Now we come to the second part of this video. A second part is why it is important. Okay, you understand that uh, applying these operators can be helpful for you. It can like decrease your time of doing things, certain things. But how it can directly apply in something. So I have list down of 5 applications. I will just try to explain you how you can use it. The first is find the indexation error. How it can be useful. First thing, find the indexation error. Now how you find indexation error? For example, I want to find indexation error from my site futurewoman.com. Now you, as previously I was explaining, I explained this thing site. Here it is, site futurewoman.com. So this operator, what this operator helps in how many pages are indexed in Google. So here I'm getting a 34 result. So you can do it for any website. For example, let's say I'm doing it for a Flipkart. So it is a lot. There are a lot of reasons, and the reason being it is a e-commerce site. E-commerce site for one product there are 10. Maybe for one product there are 10 variation of the product in the different colors. So it goes like you cannot imagine. So this is a very big site. So I go back to my site. Now my site has a 34 results. Okay, it's showing a 34 result. But what if I know that I have already published 50 or 54 blogs, or I'm completely aware because I have access to my website and I am completely aware that I have all in all taking a blog or pages combined, I know that there are 54 pages total. Then then how you can diagnose this is like if it is showing 34, then there must be a 20. Here is a 20 less according to my calculation. So where why those 20 are not indexed? Then you will have to do that audit. Why does 20 are not indexed? Is there a technical problem with the site, or there other things that are reason behind this? So you'll have to find out, and that's how it will work. So this is the first find this indexation error. Now second is find a duplicate content issue. This is a very big issue in a web. You can find because people really don't want to work on their own. They want just copy and paste. They just go on different site. They find the content. They just copy, blatantly copy and paste on their site. It's not how you should do. It should work on the ground, but it's how it is there. So for example, what I'm doing is how to find whether if you suspect that particular content of your site is repetitive even on your site. It happened, probably it happened most of the times that you are not aware, or maybe you have not done certain things. I'm no, because for example I'm showing you this my site futureum.com, and Okay, so in this operator, I'm searching for this which traffic source is best for your business, and this is there in the blog. Okay, so I'm looking for this blog, which traffic source is best for your business. Now, the moment if you see this operator, first I selected site colon futuredomain.com, and then I applied this operator to restrict the whole query to this particular sentence. And let me check now. There are six results. Now, the thing is why there are six results. Now, this thing I will need to find out, because probably there might be reason the blog page is there and blog page just show me all the titles. So here is the title. In the blog page, there are many blogs, and one blog has the same titles. So, and for the same page, the blog site itself, there also will be the title. So two is enough. Two is fine. That can be understandable. But other, I'll have to find out. So this is how you do it. Why? Why particular content is it repetitive? I'm just taking a title here, but you in your case you can take a whole content, you can take a paragraph. You find, if you find that it can be copied, someone may have copied it, or probably whether is it copied from some other places, that can be done. And second thing, I'm checking it on my site whether this title is there on different pages of my site. But what if I doubt whether the title which I'm using, it is fine with the title, but the content, if I content I'm using content, if I'm content I'm using, what if it is used on various sites on the globe, like on the internet? For that, I will use a second operator, and I will not complicate it. Just as simple. What I'm doing is I'm just putting this operator here, minus sign. Now, just understand the mathematics behind it. It's very simple. I don't want minus. It means I don't want results on my side. I'll just click it here. So here I'm getting a two results from the Facebook post, and I checked earlier. This is not my post. This is from Automated Advisor page, or but the thing is, this is Automated Advisor page. But as the term, it is very common. It's not that special. Like which traffic source is best for your business? One can use it in a text, or one can use it in a like title or something else. It's possibility there, because traffic source is a topic and one can cover it like that, and goes like that. So it's not a big issue for me. But if what if it was a product description, or one para product description, and some other, so the other e-commerce company just copied and pasted for their product, then you should be aware of all these things. So this was the second application of operators. Now we go to third application of operator, find all files on a domain, which I have actually, I think I have already explained. This is what is, like, I want to know what is the file type of, whether for any site, if you want to know that, for example, for my site, I want to know whether I have uploaded any PDF file is there in my site. So you can just read it, site, feature domain, and file type PDF. There is none. Now I do it for the Flipkart, which we already done. And here is 147 results. So this was any kind of file type. If you want to find out the file type, if that file is there in your site, you can do it like this. Now fourth one is find guest poach opportunities, and it is very important. You want if you are working in the link building strategy, then you want, this is a go to strategy, and very common pages which you will find on the different websites are write for us, become a contributor, contribute to, write for me, guest post guideline, in URL guest post, in URL guest contributor guidelines and all. Write for us is very common. How you will do it? You will just, for example, I want, and my site is in a technology domain, like technology niche. What I'll do, technology is a niche, and then I will look for the right for us in title, like just get an idea behind it. Don't be a very technical. It simply means that the person who want other to write for them, what that person will do, he will create a page. He will create a page on his site, and for example, I'll just show you now. On my site I have not created that. For example, I have created free download kind of stuff, but other people, like other website owner, that guy must like probably he want that other people should come to his site and uh, like write for them, write for his site, and for that he will just create a page here to write like with the title write for us. So what you are doing is you are actually searching in the technology niche. You are searching all the website in the technology niche which have write for us page in the title. Like title, they have page, and they must, like if they really want people to search them, they will put a title like right for us, and the moment you search it, you will find the answers, find the results. And here we have a 17,000 results. For example, the second thing, right for us, as I was saying, the moment you click on it, and you'll find the right for us, and they must be having all this rules and all regulations. You just go through it and find out how you can reach out to them, but this is how it works. So write for us is one term. People, many write, become a contributor, contribute to, write to me. You can use any of those and just find the guest post opportunities. And now fifth application, find internal linking opportunities. First thing, as external link is important, internal linking is very important in the same manner. Now I'm doing it for my side for the explaining this concept. Now going to on my side, you will find that on the home page itself, I have external trigger kind of. This is a blog. This is about I've taken it from a hook book and forget it. This is about external trigger. Now what I want like the moment I click on the blog, I see that what I covered paid triggered, I covered on triggered and relation triggered. What I am looking for is I want, I'm just trying, just imagine if you have a big website or probably a site with reasonable blogs and all. What you want whether the paid trigger I have, whether I just want to know whether I have written any other blog which is directly related to paid triggers. So if I have written other blog, then what I will be doing is I will just create a link here. I will just add a link here, so it will get linked to that particular page. So for that I'm searching it. What I will do, cite your site. This is how you should do it. Cite your site and text paid trigger. Now my site is futureoman.com. Let's check it out. Here only one result is there. It means the block as shown to you, this is the only one. So I don't have any opportunity here for internal linking. But if your site is big, or if you are dealt, like if you are covered the various similar topics, then there you will find a very great opportunity to internal linking. And internal linking is a very good way to boost your SEO, because as you know, external linking is important, but internal linking is as actually in what it's not only important for the SEO purpose, it's also important for the user behavior, because when if I'm a user, I go to any site, and if I find that all the site is very beautifully linked, like for example, I'm reading this blog and I find out that okay, I found out that this blog is not that big. I want what I want. I want like page trigger. How, like I explained it for in the 4 lines. I want, yeah, if there is a deep, like it's a big blog where paid trigger is explained in very thoroughly, then what I will want, I want to click on this link and want to read that particular blog. So this is how internal linking works. So this is how you can do it. So I think I have covered all the applications and all the advanced operator, and this is it, guys. If you like, if you find it interesting, you find it good, then do subscribe.